So let me quickly log into my newly created Clickbank account. So if I click on login right now, after putting in my email and password, you are going to see that it's going to sign me right here. And as you can see, there is no data here because this is actually a brand new account. All right, now let me go ahead and show you that I can be able to promote products using this particular account that I just created right now. So if I go over to marketplace, like I want to go and collect my hop links and promote products, and I click on find products. All right, so let me say like I want to promote this AZ Pure right here. I'll click on promote, and I will come here and click on generate hop links. Okay, so if I copy these hop links right here and start promoting these hop links, and anybody buys from me, I am actually going to get a commission from that sale. What's going on, guys? Martin here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to create a working Clickbank account right here in Nigeria without using any VPN or any of these rigorous processes. All right, so if Clickbank is banned in your country, or if you are in Nigeria and you are looking for a way to create a working Clickbank account, make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to walk you exactly the step-by-step process that I followed to be able to create this account right here. Okay, so if today is your first time of coming to this channel, my name is Martin, like I said earlier, and I do videos on how you can be able to legitimately make money from the internet. So if this is the kind of video that interests you, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click the bell notification icon, and let's get into the video immediately and get started. Okay guys, so here are the full list of Clickbank banned countries. All right, so if you go right here, you are going to see that Nigeria is among the countries that is being banned by Clickbank. All right, so if your country is right here, make sure to watch this video, because I'm going to show you guys how I was able to create this particular account that you are seeing right here, that has even allowed me to be able to generate a hop links that I can start promoting this product and start making commission from it. All right, so all you have to do right now is to make sure to bring out your pen and paper and write down some of the information I'm going to show you guys in this video. All right, so if I head over to account settings right now, as I am on account settings right now, you are not going to be seeing it because you're actually trying to create your own. All right, so what you have to do right now is for you to be able to create a Clickbank account without a VPN and make sure that your account is not that they are not going to ban your account, is to make sure that you find someone, maybe your family member or your friend, that is actually living in a country where Clickbank is accepted. All right, so just make sure that the person is living in a country where Clickbank is accepted, and tell that person that you want the person to help you to create a Clickbank account in your own name. All right, so what's going to happen is that you are actually going to direct that person on how the person can be able to create this Clickbank account, and that's why I'm going to walk you step-by-step process using my own account on how you're going to direct the person to create your account. Okay, so make sure you pay attention and follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video, because this thing works just as you are seeing it right here. All right, so the first thing that you have to do, once you already have someone that is in a country where Clickbank is accepted, all right, the first thing that you have to do is to walk these people through the process that I'm going to be walking you guys in this video. All right, so the first thing that you have to do is to send the person your email address that you want them to actually open the Clickbank account for you, because this is actually very important, because if you do not send the person your email address, you cannot be able to access the email where most of the information that Clickbank will be sending to you will be coming from. All right, so once you send the person your email address, also let the person to know your password so that the person can be able to log in and verify all the information that Clickbank will be requesting from them. All right, now when it comes to payee name, make sure to send the person the name that you are going to be using to collect your money. Okay, you are going to send the person your real name, and in most cases, if you are going to be using Payoneer to withdraw your money, you have to send the person your correct name that is also linked to your Payoneer account or to any bank that you're actually trying to use to withdraw your money. The name must tally. All right, now when it comes to address, you have to get the person has to use his own address to sign up on this account. All right, so this is very important. The person has to use his own address to sign up on this account, because this is actually the step-by-step process you'll be walking this person. Then you can actually give the person the password the person can actually use to be able to sign into this account. But make sure that this is someone that you really trust, because this is like a business partner that you're sharing every information about your account with. All right, so once you have been able to do that, then when it comes to contact information, now the person should actually use your name as the contact name, then use your email address as the account email. But when it comes to phone number, the person has to use their own phone number to sign up here, okay? Because what happens is that if there is any confirmation that Clickbank wants to do over the phone, they can be able to contact that person in the country the person is, and the person will be able to answer these calls and do the necessary verification. And I would also like to advise you, it's very, very more important for you to stay away from someone that is living in the United States. All right, so find any other country that is not US, because it makes everything very, very easy. Because in US they have to start asking for social security numbers and so many other stuff that the person might not like to disclose. All right, so that's one key fact you have to know, right? So preferred language, English, time zone, nothing, then transactional email, your same email, so that you can be able to log into that email and know that your transaction is moving in very well. Communication email, give them your email address. All right, now when it comes to this payment information, make sure that you set your payment threshold as $100 and set the payment method as direct deposit, because what this thing does is that once you have been able to accumulate up to $100, Clickbank is actually going to deposit your money straight to Payoneer if you are using Payoneer to promote. If you're using Payoneer as the bank you are using to collect payments from Clickbank, all right, so that you are not going to have thousands of dollars on Clickbank and Clickbank will wake up one day and flag your account. All right, so it's very important that you put $100 as the payment threshold, and you put the payment as direct deposit, and the frequency has to be weekly. All right, so that once the money in your account hits $100 in a week, they are going to send you your money. All right, now when it comes to this account that I set here, the number account I used to actually set this stuff is actually from Payoneer. Okay, so if you don't know how to be able to set up a foreign or UK account, all you have to do is to go over to Payoneer to get the account number you're actually going to put here, because this is actually going to be an account number that they are going to send your money into. All right, all you have to do is to go and set up a Payoneer account, and Payoneer is going to allow you to be able to create a foreign bank account whereby you can use to receive international payments, all right, through direct deposits. All right, now if you don't know how to create a Payoneer account or to do all that, all you have to do is to go over on YouTube and search Martin Iyo Payoneer, and you are going to see how to create a Payoneer account, step-by-step process. I walk you through on how you can be able to set up your account and how you can be able to create your foreign bank account, so that you can come over right here on Clickbank and add the bank country that you created, add the bank city, add the payment currency, because I'm using UK right here. So add the bank city, add the currency, add the bank name, your account number, the source code, and the account type, which is also going to be a checking account. All right, so but all this stuff that I'm telling you guys right now is actually the person that is creating the account that is going to do it for you. All right, the person that is not the person that is in the country that Clickbank is accepted, that's the person that will be doing all this stuff for you. But why I'm showing you guys this thing right now is that you are going to be the person that is going to walk the person through on what the person is actually going to do. All right, so the way I actually did my own is that I was actually chatting with my friend on WhatsApp, and I was directing my friend the information that he's going to put in. Anywhere he is, he's going to send me a screenshot of where he is, and I'm going to tell him what next to do. If it is the one that requires me to provide him with the information he needs, I'm going to provide that information for him so that he's going to proceed. All right, now if this person is doing this thing for you, don't try to log in into that account immediately. All right, allow the person to finish everything he's going to do. That's why you have to give the person access to your email address, password, okay, so that the person can be able to log into your email, do the whole confirmation that Clickbank wants the person to do. And when the person has fully set up your account and everything is now working well, that's now the time that you can actually go ahead and start logging into the account. Okay, but I will also advise you once in a while, also tell the person to log in into your account from the country where they are staying, because Clickbank is accepted there, so that Clickbank might now start seeing it that when your IP changes, people travels and all those kind of stuff, they cannot easily go ahead and block your account immediately. All right, so this is actually how you can be able to go out there and set up a Clickbank account without a VPN or without spending lots of money on some of the things that are actually not going to work for you. But one of the most important thing, guys, I want you guys to pay attention in this video is that Clickbank is still not accepted in Nigeria. So if you are working with them, you have to trade carefully. That's why I advise that you set your payment threshold at $100 and get them to pay you weekly once you reach $100, so that you are not going to have your money stuck there. Okay, there are people that $1,000, $10,000 have been stuck on Clickbank, and once your account is frozen, it's going to take a lot for you to be able to get that account back, even if you're going to get it back. Okay, but if following this strategy and having your friends provide you most of the information you're going to need will help you to be able to set up your Clickbank account that is going to start functioning very well, and you can go ahead and start promoting this product on Clickbank and start making affiliate commissions for yourself. So guys, that's what I have for you guys in this video. If you find this video valuable, please do let me know in the comment section, and if you have any questions, do ask me in the comment section. I'm going to reply to all of your questions. All right, do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also click the bell icon so that as I go ahead to share all this awesome information for free, YouTube will notify you so that you will come and take advantage of the information I'm sharing with you. Share this video with your loved ones or anyone that you know that is looking for how to create a Clickbank account, and rewatch this video if there is something that you are missing, or ask me questions on the comment below and I'm going to respond to your question. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys in my next video.